Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. So bless me. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Messenger app. So I'm going to simply click on it. After you open up your Messenger app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, three slider, click on that. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this setting icon, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to privacy and safety. So click on that, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to block accounts. Just like so, you will see all your block list. Next thing you want to do is to select the contact you want to unblock. So I'm going to select this contact. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on unblock. So it's as simple as that. So you have unblocked the contact without any stress. So basically, this is how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.